Hey guys, I'm Eric the Travel Guy. Welcome back to the Food for Thought Test Kitchen. I'm totally excited that you are here. As you know, I travel all over the world seeking out fantastic flavors. This is certainly no exception. This is my proprietary Eric seasoned salt blend. And actually, this recipe is based on a very famous recipe, which I will tell you more about in a matter of seconds. Also, I will share with you exactly how I use this seasoned salt, and you will see how universal and versatile it really is. But for those of you that want to make it right now with me, let's do it in a bowl. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of sea salt, 4 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of celery salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne, and a half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now, if you don't want to use cayenne, just omit it altogether. If you don't want any real heat, you can't really taste this heat, but there's a little heat in there. All right, let's taste it here. As I said, I love this seasoned salt, and I use it. You'll find it's really versatile and it's really convenient if you make up your own batch. By the way, we do sell this on my Etsy store. You can get a sample batch, and then you can decide if you want to make it at home, if you like it or not. But nevertheless, I use it on chicken, I use it on steaks, I use it on burgers, I use it on fish, I use it on vegetables. One of the easiest things you can do is saute up, say, some asparagus and cook it down a little bit, put a little butter in there, throw a little bit of this seasoned salt on it. It's a perfect side dish. Your guests will love it. I also use it on my fried egg sandwiches. Anyway, I use it all the time. And that being said, it not only tastes amazing, but it's actually based on a really famous recipe. Let me take you back to 1915, okay? Lawrence Frank, he opens up a potato chip shop with his brother-in-law in 1915 in Los Angeles, okay? Now, in 1922, they opened Tam O'Shanter's, which still stands today as LA's oldest restaurant operated by the same family in the same location. But the year that's really important here is 1938, okay? The brothers open up Lawry's the Prime Rib on La Cienega Boulevard in Beverly Hills, where after some moving around a bit, it's back in its original location from nearly 100 years ago. And yes, that is the famous Lawry's. Lawrence spent about 3 months developing a proprietary spice blend that would pair nicely with his prime rib. And really, the cool thing to me is that you can go to Lawry's the Prime Rib today and eat from that original menu, taking you back all the way to 1938. So there you go. It's Eric's famous seasoned salt. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow us, and I'll see you in the kitchen or in line at security, whichever comes first.